Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this corner shower caddy. This one here will hold all your bathroom essentials. Alright, so right here we have our shower caddy. This is the 3-tier. They do offer it in several different colors as well as tiers. You can get it in a 2-tier, 1-tier, and a 3-tier. I did go with the black in the 3-tier. So this one here is designed specially for the showers that have corners instead of a flat surface. So it does come with the little stickers right in here. You got two, one on each side. The corner shower caddy comes with a complete installation accessories. The adhesive installation is suitable for smooth and hard surfaces, like I do have tile in my shower, so that is what it's going to be connected. This is craftly and tired of exceptional quality. It has aluminum for durability and resistance to rust, corrosion, and tarnish. So this right here goes on each side. It does have little screws, so you'll have to take the screws off first, and then you'll stick them in the holes and then put the screws on. That's what's going to hold it. So the sticker part is going to go on the wall. The screw part is going to go on the inside, so it's super easy to install. So you just put them in these little holes right here. Then you take the little screw tops, screw them in, and then you'll just put it into your shower. This does have smooth edges and corners. It helps protect against injuries. It is a solid structure. It has a drain holes, which creates self-clean mechanism. You don't have to worry about any water or any soap gathering on these little caddies. So it just goes in here like that. You can see the little screw tops. You just screw them in, and then once you're in your shower, like I am here, because I have a tile in my shower, so I'm just going to pick a spot. And then I'm going to remove the little plastic cover for the tape, and then I'm going to put it in there. So I did get the 3-tier, so we're going to go ahead and put it on. So now that we have it on, I have my soap in the top, my shampoo, and some other shampoos. I like the fact that it is 3 tiers. It does hold really tight. It looks really nice. Looks like it goes right there. If you're looking for a nice shower caddy, I would say check this one out.